Title: Ioniq 5 Electric feels the shock. Hyundai's baby faces US safety investigation. TLDR, it's not all sunny days for the Hyundai Ioniq 5 as the US auto safety regulators turn up the heat on nearly 40K of these EVs. Reports of sudden power loss while cruising are linked to a sneaky battery charging issue. Our friends on the road describe a scary loud pop, followed by dashboard warnings and a dramatic power cut, from slight deceleration to a total blackout. Hyundai claims the blame lies with the Integrated Charging Control Unit, ICCU. To sort this, they've got a service campaign rolling out in July to update the software and possibly replace the ECU. Now, let's flip on the high beams and explore this electrifying story. With more and more people hopping on the electric bandwagon, the last thing you'd want is your shiny new Hyundai Ioniq 5 leaving you stranded on the highway like a duck out of water. But, with around 30 consumer complaints and counting, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has been pushed to open a preliminary investigation covering 2022 model year vehicles. So, what's the deal here? Well, the NHTSA tells us that it's learned from Hyundai that the problem is linked to the Integrated Charging Control Unit, ICCU. This little guy is responsible for powering both the main electric vehicle and the humble 12-volt batteries. But, it seems like too much juice within the unit can fry its transistors, leading to the 12 volts battery not being able to recharge. Just imagine, one moment you're cruising along the highway, humming your favorite tune. The next, a loud pop reverberates through your car, your dashboard lights up with warnings, and your EV slows down, or worse, totally conks out. Talk about a mood killer. Now, Hyundai isn't just sitting around twiddling their thumbs. They've announced they'll be launching a service campaign in July, planning to update the affected vehicle software and, if needed, replace that pesky ECU. Yet, it leaves one wondering, is this enough to reassure the thousands of Ioniq 5 owners currently facing the terrifying prospect of a spontaneous power loss? And what does this mean for the reputation of electric vehicles as a whole, considering the growing adoption rate globally? As we continue to transition to a more electrified transportation system, what can we expect? More power losses? More unexpected roadside adventures? Or will we see improvements and advancements that make such issues as rare as finding a leprechaun riding a unicorn? Now, it's over to you. What do you think about this issue? Are we ready to cope with such hiccups on our road to a cleaner, greener future, or do these instances throw a monkey wrench into your EV dreams? Let's get talking.